You draw storms beautifully.
Storms are honest. They don't hide feelings.
They stepped outside together. No umbrellas, just laughter and rain.
This is magical.
With you, it is.
I can't believe this rain. It's kind of magical.
It is. I had a great time. Me too. Talk soon? Definitely. At sunrise, they promised to meet again at the old bridge.
Days turned into memories. Coffee became conversations. Conversations became feelings. Then one day, she didn't show up. He found a letter in his camera bag. I had to leave for another city, but loving you was never a mistake. Without thinking, Ayaan ran to the station. The train began to move. Don't leave! I love you!
Ayaan!
I'm here! Jump!
She stepped off before it gained speed.
I made it.
I was so worried.
Fall again. Some storms are meant to bring people together. Months later, they built a small studio together.
This corner feels perfect for our photos.
It does.
He captured moments. She painted emotions. On the same old bridge,
Yes?
he knelt down.
Oh my
Will you
lord.
marry me? Her tears weren't from rain this time.
Yes. 1,000 times yes.
I love you.
Love that began in rain blossomed in sunshine. Years later, they still walked in rain without umbrellas.
Still perfect.
Always.
Because some love stories aren't written in ink, they're written in moments.